Okay, so exercise 21 is our butt joint. So we're just going to draw our two rectangles. So I'm going to come to the end and I'm going to draw and extrude my first one. So it's 19 by 140. And I'm just going to extrude that one first, I think. So extrude that piece and we're going to go 300. There's my first piece. I'm going to sketch off the same plane. So it's this plane back here. We're going off that corner. We're going 19 by 140. I'm going to go finish. And I'm going to extrude him forward 300. Now, if I press enter, look what happens. It becomes one piece. So what we actually have to do is in our extrude here, so I'm going to double click my last extrude and go back into it. I actually need to change the join to a new body. So a new body is kind of like a new piece or a new part. I can click OK. Now I have two separate pieces. And if I go up into my bodies menu here, I can choose body 1 or body 2. So I now need to change the color of body 2. So I'm going to right click up here on body 2, come down to appearance. And down in here, I've got lots of different options, metals and woods and stuff. I'm just going to jump down into wood. And I'm just going to grab something that's darker. So walnut's a darker wood. Drag him onto there and let him go. And there is my butt joint completed.